What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new, you're welcome. And today I am gonna be making a review on a gel and cream. Alright, now I've known this gel for so freaking long, like so long, and I've known so many people that have used it and how the results has turned out to. So let's get into this video, but before that, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you would, please share the video for your family and friends. And into the video now. Alright, so here I'm gonna be reviewing this. Did I keep it well? Okay, let me turn it this way. This is it. Hot Movate gel and Hot Movate cream. Now this is the difference. The thing is that the gel is a little smaller and the cream is a little bigger. This is just the difference. Look at it. Right, so this is the gel of it and this is the cream of it. Now let me bring them out so you guys can see the difference of this Hot Movate. So this is it, and let me bring out this. And this is how the gel is. This is the gel. It says fast action, Hot Movate gel, fast action. This is how the body is. Alright, so let me bring out the cream too. This is how the cream is. Hot Movate cream. Okay, now I've heard of this cream so much, and I've seen and I know of so many people who have used this cream, and trust me, it never came out well. You know, their skin never ever looked good. So I am not saying that the cream or the gel is not good. I am in no way condemning or saying whatsoever, but I'm saying this and I'm making this video based on experience of people who have used this gel. Right, so it is an affordable gel. You can get it like 200 and this is 200. Now the difference is that this is the gel and this is the cream. Now the cream is white, Snow White, yeah, and the gel is transparent white, and this is very freaking fast in whitening up your skin. Okay, and it will do the job for you. If you want to whiten up your skin, fine, it's going to whiten up your skin like really crazy. But how about dark knuckles? How about pigmentations? How about skin discoloration? Like, one thing I've known Hot Movate for is skin discoloration, because here it's gonna be black, here it's gonna be fair, here it's gonna be black, here it's gonna be black, and here it's gonna be fair, and your upper side of the head is gonna be black. Now those, and your hand is just gonna be very disgusting. But yes, because skin types are different, so it might have worked for you if you've used it before and it did work fine. That is why we have like almost 7 skin types. Okay, but from my experience of me seeing people using it, I ran away from it when a friend of mine tried to, you know, talk me into it some years back, about 5 years back. Okay, I ran away from it because other people that were using it, their skin weren't looking good. Like, it wasn't like giving you an evenly toned complexion. It was giving you this, giving this dot kind of thing. But when it comes to it whitening your skin up, fine, it's gonna whiten up your skin. But what about the exposed part of your neck? Like, this whole side is just gonna be dark, and from your breast down and your body is just gonna be fair. Now if you're in the other part of the skin type where the exposed part is going to be fair and the hidden part is going to be black, have you seen such people? I've come across so many people like that, where they've used not just particularly this particular product, but other products also, where they used it, and trust me, the hidden part was dark and the exposed part was fair. So that's just how it is. People's skin texture are different. The way people skin reacts to cream, lotion and oil is far different. The way my skin, like, I am so allergic to antibacterial and antiseptic soap, I can't even go anywhere near it. But there are skin types also who accept antibacterial and antiseptic soap, fine. But trust me, if you're looking forward to lighten up your skin and have a glowing skin, and you have combination skin or normal skin, antibacterial or antiseptic soap is not going to be perfect for your skin, because it's going to help you, like, it's going to darken you up so well. And okay, so going back to the Movate cream, it's actually, like, for me, I didn't say the word, but trust me, I don't like a cream or a gel that is hot, and this is hot, just like the name denotes. Hot Movate. It is really freaking hot, because it's just going to whiten you up, and that is why it's hot. So if you're using this cream and you're under the sun 247, or you're even under the sun in 3 days time, your skin is going to go red, and from red is going to go black, and from black you're going to have discoloration, and from discoloration you're going to be crying and looking for solution, and from there you're going to look for my channel, and trust me, I'm going to prescribe a moisturizing cream for you that will take you back to your original complexion. Honestly, that's just the process. That's what I do anyway. So as I would say, well, you can, I've made a lot of reviews on gel, on cream and all of that. You can choose to get a very good oil or a very good lightening cream, because I know majority of the lady, even the white too, they want to maintain their skin, they want the tone. So why are they toning if, of course, it's just what everybody wants? You just want to maintain your skin, and you use lotion and cream that would remove dead skin cells, and by doing that you're going to tone up a little bit, and you're going to be fairer than what you used to be. So there's no problem about that. But yeah, using cream like this, it would damage your skin. So I actually got it so I can talk about it. I am not in any way talking down on it, because I know many people use this gel and it's worked for them. Well, also many people used it and it didn't work for them. So I don't know, so you might be among the people that would use it and it didn't work, so you have to discontinue it and look for, I've made a lot of reviews, so you can check down in my videos where you see some lightening cream and all of that. So anytime I make a review, I tend to have this question: what cream do you use? I've made a review on what cream I use particularly, and so I wouldn't expect like you asking me. So if you're a new subscriber, you can go down and watch my video from the day one when I started making reviews, you're gonna see what cream I use, because talking about the cream I use in all video, you know, it's just gonna make the video boring, right? So if you want to know what cream I use, you know, go down and check on my video list and you're going to be seeing that, okay? And also in my vlog, I make vlog on get ready with me, and I show you my cream, my lotion, my oil, my soap and all of that, so you can check that out. But for this, no, because I mean, you don't need stretch marks, because it takes just 3 days for stretch marks to start appearing on your skin when you use a bad cream, lotion or gel. But it takes 1 year for that stretch marks to go off your skin. So which one would you prefer? You see, I mean, anyway, that's just basically it. And there are so many other things, you know, I've not mentioned about the cream, but you know, it is better you're being warned than, you know, you're having to experience yourself. But whichever one you prefer, it's okay. It's your body, it's your skin, right? Do whatever makes you happy, baby. Nobody's gonna ask you. Nobody's gonna ask you why did you do that or why didn't you do that, because you're an adult, right? Alright, so having said all of that, that will wrap up my review for today. If you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.